Helpful tips about how to make money online that are simple to follow. Trust your instincts as they are often correct. Yes, working online will give you all of the benefits you've dreamed of. And yes, you will need to know as much as possible so you don't get sucked into any scams. This video has some helpful hints to lead you to success. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Give yourself a schedule. Online income is something that you will need to do consistently. This isn't the quick way to making loads of money. You need to work diligently every single day. Choose specific times to work on it every day. Even devoting only an hour or two a day will make a huge difference over time. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. Design and build websites for people on the web to make some extra cash on the side. This is a great way to showcase the skills that you have using programs like Composer. Take a class beforehand on website design if you want to brush up on your skills before starting up. Determine how much money you should get for your time prior to doing any work. If you plan to do a job, how much per hour is the least you'll take? Working for pennies will mean you're wasting your time. People won't be willing to pay you as much. Don't quit your day job until the online money-making opportunity you're looking into starts paying off. While it could prove to be a jackpot, you don't want to risk being up the creek if it's not what you were hoping for. Always have enough money in the bank for a few months of bills, just to be on the safe side. Write ebooks and then sell them online. It's an excellent way to earn an online living while using your know-how. Recipes are something that you can start with when you begin working on an ebook. Ask others if you can advertise for them. This can generate a lot of revenue. If you have a popular blog, this can generate a lot of traffic. The ad drives readers to a news site selling items. Success is something we all dream of, be it in our real-life jobs or in online virtual work. To find it, we have to educate ourselves on our field of work. When that work is on the internet, this video has all you need to know to find great success. Student loan.